Hello guys, this is Suyash Goyal signing in. I hope you all are doing great. Just a moment, let me just start with this slideshow. Guys, can you hear me? Everyone out there? Just okay, now it's sorted. Okay, guys, a very good evening to all of you. This is Suyash Goyal signing in. Please tell me after a little hiccups in the beginning. Please tell me, guys, are you all there? Can you hear me, everyone out there? I can see so many comments out there. Hello, Neeraj. Are you still there? Hello, Shagun Joshi. Very good evening. Hello, Samriddhi. Very good evening. Uh, I guess that's all. Okay, guys. So, are you all there? Can you hear me, everyone out there, guys? Samriddhi, Neeraj, Shagun, guys, can you hear me, everyone out there? A very good evening to all of you. This is Suyash Goyal signing in, and today in this particular YouTube session from Unacademy, we are going to crack the topic quadrilateral for your class 9. So everyone, guys, please tell me, are you all ready for this? Everyone out there, guys, are you all ready for that? Okay, so this is the lesson number 1 that we are having for this. पहला lesson हम लोग देख रहे हैं quadrilaterals के लिए इस particular session के अंदर. What we're gonna do over here in this session, guys? So we will be talking about quadrilaterals. हम लोग quadrilaterals की बात करेंगे and we will be doing questions based on this. Okay, so this is what we are going to do in this particular session. Once you are there, if you are able to hear me, guys, I would like to request all of you quickly respond, everyone out there. Let me refresh once as well so that if you guys are responding, just a moment. Okay, so now here we have hello Archie, how are you? Very good evening. Hello Yash, how are you? Okay, guys, so are you all set, ready for the discussion? Okay, before starting with the discussion on quadrilaterals, let me tell you something about Unacademy. Let me tell you something about myself. So, guys, my name is Suyash Goyal, and I have 100,000 followers, which means 1 lakh followers on Unacademy. I've been teaching mathematics to class 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th students on Unacademy. This is my referral code SG08. So if any one of you who is planning to subscribe to Unacademy Plus, you can use this code and you will be able to get flat 10% discount on your Unacademy Plus subscription charges. Okay, I will be telling you about this more. Unacademy Plus subscription, guys, what is this? So right now we are connected on the YouTube channel of Unacademy. Hello Vinash, how are you? Hello Avnish. Okay, so with the real name, wow. Hello Samriddhi. So guys, here if you see, when I'm talking about Unacademy Plus subscription, here you have the live classes for all the subjects daily. Every day you have the live classes for all the subjects. You have the weekly quizzes. Okay, apart from that, you have the doubt solving live classes. I mean, if you are not clear with something, आपको कोई doubt है, तो वो doubt के लिए भी we will be having a live class. Okay, you can ask all your doubts in the live class itself. Cool. Then we have the practice questions, so many practice questions that we talk about during the live class, and we have the test series as well, okay, in which we have the test of the topics that have been covered. Moving forward, guys, ये सारे batches हैं जो अभी चल रहे हैं Unacademy पर. अगर आप इन पे एक बार नज़र डालो तो एक full syllabus batch boards 2021 के लिए ongoing है. इस batch में I also take the class and I teach mathematics. Okay, so every day for class 9th we have a class at 6:15 to 7:15, and for class 10th we have a class what? For class 10th we have a class at 7:30 to 8:30. So every day we have a class at this particular time. So if you would like to be a part of all these classes, you can be there. I don't remember that, Avnish. Okay, it was a long time back when you attended my last YouTube session. That's why I don't remember that. Okay, cool. So now if you keep being regular, I'm gonna remember that yes, you join with the real name now. Okay. Now, guys, we also have half-yearly examination batches as well, which are running on right now on Unacademy. We have complete NCERT mathematics batch as well, and apart from that, we have all language grammar batch. All language grammar ऐसे मेरा मतलब है guys कि आप जर्मन अगर किसी का इंटरेस्ट है तो फ्रेंच, हिंदी, इंग्लिश, इन सब की ग्रामर सीख सकते हैं अनअकैडमी पर। इन सब की ग्रामर आप अनअकैडमी पर सीख सकते हैं। दिस इज ऑल्सो अनअकैडमी प्रोवाइड्स यू, एंड जितने भी कोर्सेज मैंने आपको यहाँ पर बोले, they cover all your subjects: maths, Hindi, English, science, social science, and all these batches are in Hindi as well and they are in English as well. दोनों लैंग्वेजेस में आपके बैचेस अवेलेबल हैं। कौन से बैचेस आने वाले हैं? ओके, सो टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हाट बैचेस वी आर गोइंग टू हैव। सो गाइस, वी विल बी सून हैविंग फुल सिलेबस बैच फॉर 2021 एक और, फिर एक हाफ ईयरली एग्जामिनेशन का क्रैश कोर्स आपका आएगा बहुत जल्दी। कूल। देन एनसीईआरटी साइंस बैच ऑलरेडी लॉन्च्ड है, कुछ दिनों में स्टार्ट होने वाला है। एनसीईआरटी सोशल साइंस बैच ऑलरेडी लॉन्च्ड, and then we have a previous year question paper batch as well that is going to start soon. This is about subscription, guys. I mean, how you can go for the Unacademy plus subscription, what all you need to do and blah blah blah. So if you see, there is one very important thing. अगर आप देखो तो 12 months के subscription के साथ अगर आप जाते हो तो आपको सिर्फ 15,000 पे करना है। उसमें भी if you use my referral code over here SG08, you will be getting 10% discount. So this will finally cost you 13500। 12 months के लिए 13500 में आपको सारे subjects का unlimited access मिलेगा। And the most important thing is, let's say if you take the 9th class subscription, okay, let's say if you take the 9th class subscription, guys, then with this 9th class subscription you will be able to access all the live classes of 10th as well, 11th as well and 12th as well। एक ही 9th के सब्सक्रिप्शन में आप 10th 11th 12th तीनों और अटेंड कर सकते हो। सिमिलरली इफ यू गो फॉर 10th सब्सक्रिप्शन, तो 10th क्लास के सब्सक्रिप्शन में गाइस आप 11 और 12 की भी वीडियोस को अटेंड कर सकते हो। So this is the most important thing that we are having right now on Unacademy. With just one subscription you can attend all these 4 classes if you take 9th, and you can attend all these 3 classes if you take 10th, and you can take 11th and 12th both if you go for 11th subscription। ठीक है, ये होती है हमारी बातचीत सब्सक्रिप्शन की। करना क्या है? कुछ नहीं, अनअकैडमी लर्निंग ऐप डाउनलोड करना है। yes absolutely Samriddhi, I mean everything is provided to you. So if I'm talking about all the things that we provide, so we have our own notes, so we follow RS Agarwal as well. In some classes we follow RD Sharma as well, okay, then in some classes we follow NCERT as well. So all these things will be provided to you. Apart from that we will be having so many tests, बहुत सारे tests होते हैं। अब देखो उन टेस्ट के लिए क्या होता है। So first you will be going for the test, okay, आपने टेस्ट दिया, let's say you had a test on real numbers, okay, you had a mock test on real numbers. Once you complete your mock test on real number, guys, उसके बाद क्या होगा, next day या उसी दिन उसकी analysis class होगी, okay। उस एनालिसिस क्लास में क्या होगा, उस एनालिसिस क्लास में जो भी क्वेश्चंस टेस्ट में आए थे वो सारे क्वेश्चंस आपके टेस्ट के डिस्कस किए जाएंगे। जैसे कि क्लास 9 के लिए अभी आपका 30th of August को एक टेस्ट है लाइंस एंड एंगल्स का, ओके, एंड उसी टेस्ट का एनालिसिस क्लास 31st of August को है, जिसमें कि वही सारे क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करे जाएंगे, सो दैट इफ यू हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ डाउट or any confusion at any point you can ask that as well, okay। So we have got you covered in every respect. We have so many educators for the same subject। मैथमेटिक्स का एजुकेटर मैं हूँ, मेरे जैसे और भी बहुत सारे एजुकेटर्स हैं मैथमेटिक्स के। सो अगर आपको मेरी कोई चीज समझ में नहीं आती है, यू कैन टेक द सेशन फ्रॉम देम। उनका समझ में नहीं आता है, यू कैन टेक द सेशन फ्रॉम मी। all the live classes are recorded, कोई भी live class कहीं नहीं जाती। if you take the live class and if you would like to go through the recording, you can anytime go through the recording as well. So everything is there available every time. This is the kind of platform that we have on Unacademy Plus. And now with this I would like to proceed forward. Are you all ready to talk about this quadrilaterals. Everyone out there, guys, come on, tell me. So I will be starting with some very basic things that we have in quadrilateral, and I will just try to make the most of this time, guys. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अच्छी चीज़ें हम लोग कवर कर पाएँ, ये मेरा एजेंडा रहेगा आज के लिए. So now first thing is very important, guys. What is quadrilateral? When you hear this word quadrilateral, what comes to your mind? What is quadrilateral? Who will tell me? When I'm talking about quadrilateral, guys, quadrilateral is nothing but a four-sided figure. इससे ज़्यादा information है क्या मेरे पास? Do I have any other information than this? If you see, I do not have. I mean, if I am having a four-sided closed figure, if I am having a four-sided closed figure, that will be known as what? That will be known as my quadrilateral. Everyone clear with this or not? I repeat, guys, whenever we talk about what? Whenever we talk about a four-sided what? A four-sided closed figure की जब भी मैं बात करूंगा वो कैसा भी हो, parallel lines है नहीं है, whatever it is, we will simply say what? We will simply say that it is going to be a quadrilateral. Everyone clear with this? ये सबको पता, right? Now, if I talk about one very basic thing, guys, let's say if I'm having this quadrilateral, so one thing which is very important and very basic as well, can you tell me in this quadrilateral that is A, B, C, D, what will be the sum of all the angles? That is angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D. What will be the sum of all the angles? No, Samriddhi, you are wrong. Whose sum of all the sides are 360 degree? That is wrong. Whose sum of all the angles is equal to 360 degree? कभी भी side का sum 360 degree नहीं होगा, angles का sum होगा, right? The sum of all the angles is 360, right? So here I can say that the sum of all the angles is 360 degree. यहीं से हम अपनी कहानी को शुरू करेंगे आज की. ओके, तो कैसे इसको प्रूव कर सकते हैं गाइस? बड़ा आसान है. देखो, मेरे पास ये क्वाड्रिलेटरल है जो आप सबको दिखाई दे रहा है. मैंने इसको दो पार्ट्स में ब्रेक करा. ओके, हम सब ने एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल पढ़ रखी है. व्हाट डज इट स्टेट्स? इट स्टेट्स दैट द सम ऑफ ऑल द एंगल्स इन अ ट्राइंगल, the sum of all the angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. यानी कि if I talk about in this figure जो आपको यहाँ given है, if I talk about triangle ABC, what I can say? In triangle ABC, guys, I can say that angle B plus angle BAC plus angle BCA, this will be equal to 180 degree. Is that clear or not? Everyone got this? होगा नहीं होगा? मैं simply ये बोल रहा हूँ, ये angle BAC plus ये angle BCA plus ये angle B, this will be equal to 180 degree. Everyone clear? Got the point? Okay. In the same way, what we can say, in the same way we can say that if I'm talking about triangle what? If I'm talking about triangle ADC, so in triangle ADC, what we can say? We can say angle D plus angle DAC plus angle DCA. This will again be equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of a triangle, yes or no? Okay. So we all know that whenever you add all the angles of a triangle, the sum is always equal to 180 degree. Correct, guys? Everyone got this? Cool, sorted? Hello, Manan. How are you? Cool. Now, if you add both these statements, guys, this is the second one, this is the first one. अगर दोनों को आप ऐड कर दोगे तो आपके पास क्या आएगा? You will be having angle B plus angle D, focus, plus angle BAC. Cool. Hello Vikash, how are you? With this BAC, I am writing what is BAC के साथ मैं DAC लिख रहा हूँ. Cool. Angle DAC plus. Then I have angle BCA, this angle. And then I have this angle DCA. Now this is equal to 180 plus 180, that is 360 degree. Correct? Got the point? Can I say this, guys? All of you clear? Now if you see, guys, angle BAC plus angle DAC is what? Angle BAC is this, angle DAC is this, and this complete angle is angle A, correct? So I can say I have angle B plus angle D Hello Vinay, how are you? I'm good, Vikash. Plus angle A plus, understand guys, BCA plus DCA will be what? Hello Neeraj, how are you? BCA plus DCA will be, this is your BCA, this is your DCA. This complete angle will be C plus angle C is equal to 360. Clear? In this way we can say guys that the sum of all these angles will be what? The sum of all these angles will be equal to 360 degree, right? So that is how we define कि जब भी मैं एक quadrilateral की बात करता हूँ उसके सारे angles का sum कितना होता है? 360 degree होता है. Am I clear with this or not? You got it? We have a class tomorrow as well, Samriddhi, but we have that class on Unacademy Learning app. We do not have any YouTube session tomorrow, but we have a class on Unacademy tomorrow. ओके गाइस, नाउ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट, इसके बारे में हम लोग ढंग से पढ़ने वाले हैं एंड इस पर थोड़ा सा हम लोग टाइम जो है वो स्पेंड करेंगे. लेट्स फोकस एवरीवन. इफ यू सी व्हाट थिंग इज कॉमन बिटवीन ऑल दीज फिगर्स, व्हाट डू यू थिंक? व्हाट इज कॉमन बिटवीन ऑल दीज फिगर्स? If I talk about all these figures guys, you can clearly see that in this figure, four side, four side, four side, four sides, four sides, four sides. In all these figures, there is one thing common, that all are having four sides, which means all are quadrilaterals, right? All these figures are what? All these figures are your quadrilaterals. Everyone clear with this now? Correct? ये सारे figures आपके क्या हैं? Quadrilaterals हैं. Cool? Yes, correct. Now, मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, इफ यू सी देयर इज सम डिफरेंस बिटवीन ऑल दीज फिगर्स. ओके, अगर मैं बात करूं अपने पहले वाले फिगर की, तो उस फिगर में मेरे पास साइड्स थोड़ी अनइवन सी हैं, दूसरे वाले में इवन है थोड़ी सी, तीसरे वाले में बहुत इवन है, चौथे वाले में भी थोड़ा सा, एंड फिफ्थ एंड फोर्थ. इस तरीके से मेरे को अलग अलग फिगर दे रखे हैं. अब जरा बात करते हैं इन सारे फिगर्स की. ओके, ऑल दीज आर क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स, राइट? दिस इज व्हाट वी कॉल ट्रेपेजियम. This is what we call parallelogram. This is what we call rectangle. This is what we call rhombus. This is what we call square. And this is what we call kite. Everyone clear with this? Okay, now please focus guys. So let's say I'm having a quadrilateral. Okay, let's say I'm having a quadrilateral that you all can see over here. I am drawing this quadrilateral for all of you guys. I hope all of you can see this, right? This is my quadrilateral A, B, C, D. If in this quadrilateral I say one thing, if in this quadrilateral I say that AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. I repeat, if in this quadrilateral, what I say, if in this quadrilateral guys I say that AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC, which means if in any quadrilateral I say that both, understand guys please, both the pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Okay, so if both the pairs of opposite sides are parallel, I say that the given quadrilateral will be a parallelogram. How many of you got this? I say that the given quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Everyone clear with this one? Which means when I'm saying that this is a parallelogram, it is clearly understandable that in this opposite sides, both the pair of opposite sides must be parallel, which means PS जो है वो parallel होगा QR के, और जो दूसरा pair है PQ वो parallel होगा SR के. Everyone clear till here or not? Please tell me quickly guys. ये बात सबको यहाँ तक clear है अच्छी तरीके से जो मैंने बोला? You got this? Everyone clear till here? Got the point? Okay. PS is parallel to QR and PQ is parallel to SR. Sorted? Cool. Okay. अब सुनो जरा. अब ये तो हो गया पैरेललोग्राम। तो यहाँ पर गाइज मैंने, जब मैं पैरेललोग्राम की बात कर रहा हूँ, व्हेन आई एम सेइंग दैट द अपोजिट साइड्स आर पैरेलल, तो क्या मैंने कोई एंगल की बात करी? डिड आई टॉक अबाउट एनी एंगल? Did I give you any information about the angle, that what should be the angle, what should angle be like? Did I give you any information about the angle? No, I did not. I did not give you any information about the angle. Now, if I give you some information about the angle, and now if I say, I repeat, now if I say, please focus, guys. Now, guys, if I say that I'm talking about a figure that is over here, understand, this is my figure, इस figure की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, and this is your A B C D figure again. अगर मैं सिर्फ इतना बोलूं that AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC, what do you think ये क्या है? अगर सिर्फ इतनी इंफॉर्मेशन मैं आपको दे रहा हूं, तो इतनी इंफॉर्मेशन से आप क्या समझते हो? What do you understand from this information? Everyone tell me. If in any figure AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC, अगर opposite sides parallel है, then what do you understand about that figure? कि वो figure क्या होगा? Everyone, guys, come on, tell me, what do you think? Exactly. So that figure will be what? That figure will be a parallelogram. ठीक है, यानी कि दिस शोज कि ये फिगर क्या हो गया, ये पैरेललोग्राम हो गया। अब अगर इसी पैरेललोग्राम में मैं ये भी बोल रहा हूं, अगर इसी पैरेललोग्राम में अगर मैं ये भी बोल रहा हूं कि इसका एक एंगल जो है, लेट्स से ये एंगल 90 डिग्री है, अगर मैं इसी पैरेललोग्राम में ये भी बोल रहा हूं कि इसका एक एंगल 90 डिग्री है गाइस, तो इस चीज से ये बात प्रूव हो जाती है कि ये जो पैरेललोग्राम है ये क्या है, ये रेक्टेंगल है। हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू गॉट दिस? By saying this, that in this parallelogram one angle is 90 degree, I am actually proving that this given parallelogram is a rectangle. How many of you got this? यानी कि अगर किसी भी पैरेललोग्राम में आप ये बात प्रूव कर देते हो, अगर किसी भी पैरेललोग्राम में जिसकी अपोजिट साइड्स ऑलरेडी पैरेलल हैं, जिसके दोनों पेयर ऑफ अपोजिट साइड्स ऑलरेडी पैरेलल हैं, अगर आप उस पैरेललोग्राम में ये चीज प्रूव कर देते हो कि उसका एक एंगल 90 डिग्री है, तो ये प्रूव हो जाएगा कि ये जो पैरेललोग्राम है वो पैरेललोग्राम एक्चुअली में क्या है, रेक्टेंगल है। आर वी क्लियर विद दिस? नॉट? यू गॉट द पॉइंट? क्लियर? You got the point? So all those parallelograms in which the angle, or at least one of the angle, is equal to 90 degree, then I can say that this parallelogram will be what? That parallelogram will be your rectangle. Everyone got this or not? Please tell me, guys, quickly, everyone out there, समझ में आ गया या नहीं? Got it? ठीक है, इसी तरह से अब आगे बढ़ते हैं। Let's proceed. Let's see what next we have. So guys, now I'm talking about what? Now I'm talking about a figure over here that all of you can see. Can you all see this figure? So in this figure again I am saying that this is my A, this is my B, this is my C, and this is my D, correct? All of you can see this, yes or no? इस फिगर में गाइस मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ, मेरी बात सुनो, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड। इफ आई से दैट AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC, tell me everyone, what will this figure be known as? अभी ये फिगर क्या कहलाएगा? If you have this information that AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC, what will you say about this figure? What will you say about this figure as of now? ऑब्वियसली इट्स अ पैरेललोग्राम अगेन, ओके कूल। तो अभी तो हम सर ये बोलेंगे कि ये पैरेललोग्राम है, ठीक है। उसके बाद गाइज इफ आई एम आस्किंग यू दैट आई आल्सो गिव यू दैट एंगल बी एक एंगल 90 डिग्री है, अब ये क्या हो गया, नाउ व्हाट दिस फिगर इज, क्या बोलोगे अब आप इसको? When the opposite sides are parallel, it's a parallelogram. When the angle is 90, it will become a rectangle. Yes or no? It will become a rectangle. So now you will say that this figure is a rectangle. Correct? Can I say this? Now guys, if with this information I give you one more information, and वो information अगर मैं आपको ये दूं that now it is given to you that AB is equal to CD is equal to DC is equal to AD. अब अगर मैं आपको साथ में ये इंफॉर्मेशन भी दे दूं कि इस फिगर के अपोजिट साइड्स पैरेलल हैं, एंगल 90 है और सारे साइड्स इक्वल हैं, तो जैसे ही मैंने बोला कि सारे साइड्स भी इक्वल हैं, नाउ दिस फिगर विल बिकम व्हाट? नाउ दिस फिगर विल बिकम अ स्क्वायर. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर क्लियर विद दिस? Clear? Got the point? Okay, so I repeat that when you have what, when you have only the opposite sides parallel, जब आपके सिर्फ parallel होते हैं तो हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Then we call that figure to be a parallelogram. Okay, then if your opposite sides are parallel like this, SR is parallel to MN and SM is parallel to RN, opposite sides parallel होते हैं और साथ ही साथ एंगल जो होता है वो किसके इक्वल होता है? एंगल आपका 90 डिग्री के इक्वल होता है, उस केस में हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं? रेक्टेंगल. हेलो मनीष, हाउ आर यू? Correct. And the third case is that when you have what, opposite sides parallel, this is one thing, and you also have what, you also have angle equal to 90 degree, and you also say इसके साथ साथ कि आपके सारे sides क्या हैं? Equal हैं. Then this is what we call a square. How many of you are clear with this? Everyone clear with this till here or not, guys? Please tell me. Everyone got this? Clear? Everyone. Manish, what's your problem? Please focus here. Okay, if you want to learn, please learn, otherwise you may leave. Please guys, everyone focus. Okay, so I'm talking about what? I'm talking about a square. In a square, opposite sides are parallel, both the pair of opposite sides are parallel. Apart from that, angle A is 90 and all the sides are equal. Everyone clear with this? Everyone got this? Correct? चलते हैं आगे. अब गाइज मान लो कि मैं आपसे क्या बोल रहा हूं, मैं आपसे अब ये बोल रहा हूं, प्लीज फोकस. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट अ फिगर ABCD गाइज दैट यू ऑल कैन सी. इस ABCD फिगर में मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, प्लीज मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनना. आई एम सेइंग दैट AB इज पैरेलल टू CD, पहली चीज. दूसरी चीज आई एम सेइंग दैट AD इज पैरेलल टू BC. क्लियर? एवरीवन गॉट दिस? ये सबको क्लियर है? नाउ जब मैं इतना बोल रहा हूँ तो मैं क्या कहूंगा कि ये फिगर क्या है? अभी मेरे लिए ये फिगर पैरेललोग्राम है. जब इसके साथ मैंने कुछ और इन्फॉर्मेशन अटैच कर दिया, यानी कि अब मैं ये भी बोल रहा हूँ कि आपका AB BC के इक्वल है और आपका BC CD के इक्वल है और आपका CD AD के इक्वल है, क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हो अब आपका ये फिगर क्या कहलाएगा? Who will tell me? Now what you will call this figure? I want an answer guys. Now what will you call this figure? Now what will you call this figure? I just want to know this. Tell me the answer. What will you call this figure? Okay, so Neeraj says rhombus. Neeraj, I want to ask you, why rhombus? Why do you think that it will be rhombus? Why can't square? Square क्यों नहीं? Why can't square? Why can't square? I repeat, why not square? Why can't I say that it could be a square? ये square भी हो सकता है. Tell me what do you think? I mean, whatever is coming to your mind. See, देखो ऐसे ही हम लोग समझते हैं चीजों को. तो जो भी आपके माइंड में आ रहा है बोलो. Samriddhi, I cannot say that angles are not 90 degree. The point is that I do not have any information about the angles. I do not have any information about the angle. तो जब मेरे पास angles की कोई information ही नहीं है, then how can I assume that whether the angles are 90 or not? So for now this figure will be what? For now this figure with this information, इतनी information के साथ मैं बोलूँगा कि ये figure क्या है मेरे लिए? This figure is rhombus for me. Are we clear with this or not? Got the point, guys? With this information I will say what? With this information I will say that this figure is a rhombus for me. Everyone clear with this or not? Everyone got this till here? Yes or no? Please tell me. Got the point? Clear? Make sense to you? Okay. Now guys, if in this I tell you one more, अब मैं आपको एक और चीज बोलूं, ठीक है आपने बोल दिया है रोम्बस है. अब अगर मैं आपसे बोलूं कि ठीक है भाई एंगल ए 90 है, तो अब ये रोम्बस क्या हो जाएगा मुझे बताओगे? नाउ व्हाट विल दिस रोम्बस बिकम? Because now you are saying lines are parallel, sides are equal, and अब आपने ये भी बोल दिया कि एंगल 90 है. तो अब ये जो रोम्बस है, जो पैरेललोग्राम था और जो फिर रोम्बस हो गया था, अब ये रोम्बस क्या हो जाएगा गाइस? नाउ दिस रोम्बस विल बिकम अ square. Are we clear with this or not? You got the point? Now this rhombus will become a square. Everyone clear with this or not? Everyone got this point or not? Make sense? Manish, I think you need to be blocked, so let's block you. Everyone clear with this, guys? Everyone got this? Right? So this will become what? This will become a square. Correct? Got the point? ठीक है, ये आपका क्या बन जाएगा? ये आपका स्क्वायर बन जाएगा. Okay, now Samriddhi, I have already blocked him, and guys, all of you, I request you, we do not want such nuisance people in the class, so I have already blocked it. If you are still able to view his messages, Manish messages, please block him. Okay, you all can also block him. I have already blocked him. Okay, so we do not want to entertain such nonsense people, right, in the class. Cool, sorted. Why do waste our time, right, dealing with such people? Okay guys, so if I'm talking about this, तो ये जो rhombus है मेरा, इसकी कहानी क्या होगी? इसकी कहानी होगी that DE is parallel to GF. First thing is this, and GD is parallel to FE. Am I clear with this, guys? पहली बात तो ये हो गई कि DE is parallel to GF and GD is parallel to FE. And second thing will be what? Second thing will be what, guys? Second thing is that DE is equal to EF is equal to what? Is equal to FG is equal to DG. Everyone clear with this? Not got the point? So guys, what I'm telling you is this. Actually में क्या होता है ना कि on YouTube we have such scenes created जहाँ पे कि कुछ ऐसे बच्चे आ जाते हैं जिनको पढ़ना नहीं होता है, जिनको सिर्फ मस्ती करनी होती है, and they are just talking about some nonsense things. So it has happened with in my classes multiple times. But when we are, I just want like to tell you one thing, that when we are on Unacademy, जब हम Unacademy पर होते हैं तो ऐसा नहीं होता. ऐसा क्यों नहीं होता? क्योंकि YouTube पे अगर मैं किसी को ब्लॉक करूंगा तो ही विल बी ब्लॉक्ड ओनली फ्रॉम माय साइड, आपके साइड से नहीं। बट अनअकैडमी पे व्हेन एन एजुकेटर इज टीचिंग, जैसे कि जब मैं अनअकैडमी पर पढ़ा रहा हूँ, and if anyone does anything like this or anything others, let's say someone is abusing or whatever it is, and if I block that person, so वो पूरी क्लास से ब्लॉक हो जाएगा। Are you getting my point? So Unacademy में we do not have such scenes. On Unacademy we do not have such scenes to be created. If these scenes happen as well, then the user is blocked completely and उसके बाद वो मैसेज ही नहीं कर पाता किसी को भी. Okay? वो क्लास अटेंड ही नहीं कर पाएगा and उसके बाद he'll have to wait for so much time and he will have to get in touch with the instructor, and then only he can attend the class again. So we have such things covered on Unacademy, and I'm very sorry that we get such kind of people on YouTube. Right? Everyone clear with this, guys? Till here, you got the point. सबको ये clear है या नहीं? Please मुझे बताओ guys फटाफट से. अभी तक की कहानी clear है everyone? Quickly tell me, Archie and Samriddhi, Neeraj, everyone clear with this, guys? Till here, you got the point? Makes sense to you? Okay, cool. Now, talking about this, guys. So till now, can you tell me what is the common thing in your square, in your rhombus, in your parallelogram, and in your rectangle? If you see in parallelogram, in rectangle, in rhombus, and in square, one thing is common, and that thing is that in all these figures, both the pair of opposite sides are parallel. I repeat, both the pair of opposite sides are parallel. ठीक है? अब हमारे पास एक ऐसा भी फिगर आता है जिसमें दोनों पेयर अपोजिट साइड के पैरेलल नहीं होंगे, सिर्फ एक पेयर, ओनली वन पेयर ऑफ अपोजिट साइड इज पैरेलल. So when I'm talking about the figures or the quadrilaterals in which only one pair of opposite sides is parallel, we call that figure to be what? We call that figure to be trapezium. Everyone clear with this or not? होता क्या है trapezium में? So in trapezium, guys, if you see, this is what we have. This is what we have, guys. If you see in trapezium, Samriddhi, we do not know anything about equality. अभी हमने equal होने की बात ही नहीं करी है बिल्कुल भी. ठीक है, अभी हमने बोला ही नहीं कि कुछ equal है. So in trapezium, what we have? In trapezium, one pair of opposite side is parallel. यानी कि अगर ये मेरा A B C D है, तो इसके अंदर जो मेरा AB है वो पैरेलल है CD के. बस एक पेयर अपोजिट साइड का पैरेलल है. जबकि अगर आप देखो, in parallelogram both the pairs were parallel. In rectangle both the pairs were parallel. In rhombus both the pairs were parallel, and in square as well both the pairs were parallel. But when I'm talking about trapezium, in trapezium you can see only one pair is parallel. Am I clear? So whenever only one pair of opposite side is parallel, whenever only one pair of opposite side is parallel, we call that figure to be trapezium. Correct? So here what you can write, here you can write it's a trapezium because your AB is parallel to CD. Everyone clear with this? This is what we call trapezium. Okay, Samriddhi, got it. Cool. Now guys, let's talk about this kahani. When you are talking about this last figure, this is what we call kite. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं kite. What is kite? When I'm talking about kite, guys, kite is the figure in which we do not talk about any parallel side. So this is the only quadrilateral, this is the only type of quadrilateral that we have जहाँ पर हम लोग parallel होने की बात ही नहीं करते हैं. We just do not talk about being parallel. We simply talk about what? We simply talk about the adjacent sides. So in kite, if you see, guys, the adjacent sides are equal. Okay, adjacent side, this and this is my adjacent side. So you can see AB will be equal to CB. Okay, similarly this and this is your adjacent side. So you can see that AD will be equal to CD. Correct? So in kite, what happens? In kite, both the pair of adjacent sides will be what? In kite, both the pairs of adjacent sides will be equal. Everyone clear with this or not? Please tell me. Everyone clear with this or not? You got the point? So after this, guys, we have a very important discussion to have. Are we clear till here? यहाँ तक सबको सब कुछ clear है या नहीं? Please मुझे बता दो फटाफट से. Everyone got this till here? Okay, now everyone focus. So now, guys, I'm writing something over here. I'm writing quadrilateral. So let's say this is all of you can read this quadrilateral, right? All of you can see that I have written quadrilateral over here. Cool. Now focus. अब मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, guys? मैं एक चार्ट प्रिपेयर कर रहा हूँ. In this chart, first and foremost, what I'm having, first and foremost, I'm saying that when in a quadrilateral ABCD, I say that AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. When both the pairs of opposite sides are parallel, everyone focus, guys. When both the pairs of opposite sides are parallel, what do we call it? We call it a parallelogram. ठीक है भाई, उसको हम क्या बोल देते हैं? उसको हम बोलते हैं parallelogram. Everyone clear with this, right? This is known as a parallelogram. Okay, now when only one pair of opposite sides is parallel, hello Sibaram Sethi, हाँ जी, yes. When only one pair of opposite side is parallel, so let's say if only AB is parallel to CD, what we will call it? We will call it a trapezium. Everyone clear with this or not? Got the point? This is the figure which we will call what? Which we will call a trapezium. And when I'm saying no pair of opposite side is parallel, no pair of opposite sides is parallel, what do we call it? उस केस में वी कॉल इट क्या? उस केस में वी से दैट हमारे पास एक फिगर आता है जिसको हम बोलते हैं काइट, एंड इन दैट फिगर काइट व्हाट डू वी हैव? इन दैट फिगर काइट बोथ pairs of adjacent sides are equal. Everyone clear with this or not? Got the point? Clear till here? Okay. Now, guys, if I'm talking about this parallelogram, अब ये parallelogram को हम लोग और divide कर सकते हैं. So if I'm talking about a parallelogram, the first kind that I have is what? And the second kind. पहला जो मेरा parallelogram होता है उसको हम बोलते हैं rectangle. What is the unique quality in rectangle? In rectangle, what you will have, guys? In rectangle, apart from the opposite sides being parallel, you will have one more thing, that is your angle will be equal to 90 degree. Correct? Got the point? Make sense to you? और उसके बाद अगर मैं देखूं, प्लीज फोकस गाइस, उसके बाद अगर मैं देखूं, मैं इसको थोड़ा सा सही तरीके से लिखता हूं ताकि हम लोग उसको लिख सकें. This is one, and second is what? Second you have is, I'm talking about rhombus के अंदर all the sides are equal. Correct? Everyone clear with this? Which means if you see what I'm writing, I'm simply saying that in a parallelogram, अगर वो parallelogram है तो obvious बात है guys, पहले एक बात मेरी सुन लो, that if a figure is a parallelogram, if ABCD is a parallelogram, तो ये तो confirm हो ही चुका है कि opposite sides parallel हैं. AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. Everyone clear? If a given figure is a parallelogram, it is already confirmed that the opposite sides will be parallel, which means AB will be parallel to CD and AD will be parallel to BC. First thing is this. Second thing is what, कि अगर parallel होने के साथ साथ अगर angle 90 हो जाए तो वो rectangle है. Cool. और parallel होने के साथ साथ अगर सारे sides equal हो जाए तो वो rhombus है. अब मेरी बात सुनो, इस रेक्टेंगल के अंदर अगर मैं बोल दूं कि एंगल 90 है, साइड्स पैरेलल है, और अब अगर मैं कह दूं कि और सारी साइड इक्वल भी हैं, इसमें अगर मैं ये बात प्रूव कर दूं कि सारी साइड्स जो है वो इक्वल भी हैं, देन वो क्या हो जाएगा? स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. और इसी तरीके से रोम्बस में मैं अगर ये प्रूव कर दूं जिसमें पहले से ही अपोजिट साइड्स पैरेलल है और सारी साइड इक्वल है, तो अगर रोम्बस में मैं ये प्रूव कर दूं कि एंगल 90 डिग्री है तो वो भी क्या हो जाएगा, स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. एवरीवन क्लियर विद दिस और नॉट? यू गॉट द पॉइंट? एवरीवन क्लियर टिल हियर और नॉट? एवरीवन गॉट दिस पॉइंट? मेक सेंस टू यू? इसी को अगर मैं और डिटेल में आपको बताऊं तो उसको हम लोग कुछ इस तरीके से समझते हैं. गाइस प्लीज फोकस एवरीवन आउट देयर, व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू, प्लीज फोकस एवरीवन. I am simply saying to you that if you have a parallelograms, so these are your parallelograms, am I clear? Then you are having two different kinds of parallelograms basically. When I'm talking about parallelograms, it means what? AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. Clear? Got it? Now, when I'm talking about the first kind of parallelogram, this is a rectangle. And when I'm talking about the second kind of parallelogram, it is what? It is a rhombus. In rectangle, what do we say? We say angle A is equal to 90. And in rhombus, what do we say? We say that AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. Am I clear? Now, अगर इसी rectangle के अंदर, मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनो, अगर इसी rectangle के अंदर मैं ये prove कर दूं that AB BC के equal है, BC CD के equal है और CD AD के equal है, then ये क्या हो जाएगा? Square हो जाएगा. Then this rectangle will be a square. सिमिलरली इस रोम्बस के अंदर अगर मैं ये प्रूव कर दूं, क्या इस रोम्बस के अंदर अगर मैं ये प्रूव कर दूं कि एंगल ए या कोई भी एक एंगल किसके इक्वल है, 90 डिग्री के इक्वल है, तो क्या हो जाएगा? तो ये रोम्बस आपका स्क्वायर प्रूव हो जाएगा. एवरीवन क्लियर विद दिस? यानी कि रेक्टेंगल को अगर ये प्रूव कर दो कि सारे साइड्स इक्वल हैं तो वो स्क्वायर होता है, और इसी तरीके से रोम्बस में अगर ये प्रूव कर दो कि एंगल 90 डिग्री है तो वो भी क्या होता है, एक स्क्वायर होता है. एवरीवन क्लियर विद दिस और नॉट? गॉट द पॉइंट? Everyone clear till here? Sorted? Okay, so this is how we talk about what? This is how we talk about our parallelogram. This is how we talk about our square. This is how we talk about all these things. Are we clear with this? अब आता है एक बहुत सिंपल सी कहानी है. Okay guys, तो मेरे पास एक parallelogram है जो कि आप सबको दिखाई दे रहा होगा. अब मुझे प्रूव करना है कि इस parallelogram के अंदर, जिसको मैं ABCD बोलता हूँ, इस पैरेललोग्राम के अंदर और क्या प्रॉपर्टीज होती हैं. पहली प्रॉपर्टी तो ये होगी गाइस. हेलो रॉयल शर्मा, हाउ आर यू? फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज दिस, दैट इफ ABCD is a parallelogram, so AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. This is the first property, correct? If I'm talking about the other properties, so what I'm doing, उसके लिए मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मैं एक डायगोनल को ज्वाइन करती हूँ. ओके, जब मैंने डायगोनल ज्वाइन किया गाइस, so now I have two triangles. If you see in triangle ABC and triangle ADC, I am talking about these two triangles guys. इन दोनों triangle की अगर बात करूं, because this is parallel to this, so can't you say this angle will be equal to this angle? Yes or no? Clear? Alternate interior angles, right? I can say angle BAC is equal to angle DCA. Okay, clearly can't I say that this angle will be equal to this angle? Yes or no? Again, alternate interior angles, right? Because this side is parallel to this side. Clear? Which means I can say that your angle DAC is equal to angle BCA. So these are the pair of your alternate interior angles. Everyone clear? Apart from this, what I can say guys, AC is equal to AC, दोनों में common है. Yes or no? Cool. Which means now by using your side angle side, which means SAS, by SAS congruency, what I can say, by SAS congruency, I can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADC. Everyone clear with this or not? Everyone got the point here? Yes or no? और क्योंकि अब ये दोनों ट्राइंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट हैं, मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनना, तो अब मैं लिख सकता हूँ प्रॉपर्टीज किसकी, अब मैं लिख सकता हूँ प्रॉपर्टीज अपने पैरेललोग्राम की. सो बाय CPCT व्हाट आई कैन से, प्लीज फोकस गाइस, बाय CPCT आई कैन से, first is that your AB will be equal to CD, yes or no? This is the first property by CPCT. Similarly, I can say that AD will be equal to BC, yes or no? Can I say this? Everyone out there, guys, come on, tell me, can I say this, yes or no? First I'm saying AB equal to CD, second I'm saying AD equal to BC, got it? And third I can say that angle B is equal to angle D. ये सबको clear है या नहीं? Got it? Make sense to you? Why? What happened, Samriddhi? What's not clear to you? What's not clear to you? See, what I'm saying to you is this, that if this line is parallel to this line, then this will be acting like a transversal. So this angle and this angle will be equal, alternate interior angles. Similarly, when this line is parallel to this line and this line is acting like a transversal, so this angle will be equal to this angle, alternate interior angles. Yes or no? That is what I am saying. तो मैं दो ट्राइंगल की बात कर रहा हूँ, इस ट्राइंगल की और इस ट्राइंगल की. Getting the point now? Clear? Cool? If not clear, तो यहाँ पे देख लो, यहाँ पे शायद समझ में आ जाए. So basically, guys, I'm talking about this triangle, that is your ABC triangle, and I'm talking about this triangle, that is your ADC triangle. Correct? In these two triangles, guys, if you see, in these two triangles, if you see, क्योंकि ये और ये parallel है और ये ट्रांसवर्सल है AC, तो ये आपका इसके इक्वल होगा. ऐसे ये और ये पैरेलल है और ये ट्रांसवर्सल है, तो ये एंगल आपका इस एंगल के इक्वल होगा. क्लियर? गॉट इट? और जो कि हमने यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है, और ऐसा करने के बाद मैं कह सकता हूँ कि आपके CPCT से क्या होगा, CPCT से इस ट्राइंगल के कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग पार्ट इस ट्राइंगल के इक्वल होंगे, which means this side is equal to this side is equal to this side, and that is why we say that in a parallelogram what happens? In a parallelogram, opposite sides are what? Opposite sides are parallel, and parallel होने के साथ साथ they are equal. Everyone clear with this or not? Similarly, I can say angle B is equal to angle D, and that is why we say that in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. Okay? तो जब मैं एक पैरेललोग्राम की बात कर रहा हूं, तो एक पैरेललोग्राम के अंदर अपोजिट एंगल्स भी इक्वल होते हैं और अपोजिट साइड्स भी क्या होती हैं? इक्वल होती हैं. एवरीवन क्लियर विद दिस और नॉट? यू गॉट द पॉइंट? ओके. अब आती है एक और प्रॉपर्टी. अब एक और प्रॉपर्टी की बात करते हैं. अब क्या कर रहा हूं मैं? इस D से इसको ज्वाइन कर रहा हूं B को. कूल. एंड लेट्स से कि ये जो मेरा पॉइंट है ये O है. अब अगर मैं दो ट्राइंगल की बात करूं, इन ट्राइंगल्स AOB एंड COD, AOB और COD दो ट्राइंगल की बात कर रहा हूं. अगर ये दो ट्राइंगल मेरे पास हैं गाइस, तो इन दो ट्राइंगल में मैं अगर बात करूं तो अगेन वही कहानी. सबसे पहले तो ABCD के इक्वल अभी अभी हमने देखा इक्वल होता है. Opposite sides of a parallelogram equal होते हैं. Second thing that I can say is that this angle is equal to this angle, which means your angle OAB is equal to angle OCD, correct? Thirdly, what you can say, that this angle will be equal to this angle. Cool, got the point? So what you can say? You can say that your angle OBA will be equal to angle ODC. Am I clear with this or not? Guys, everyone clear? होगा? ठीक है. जब मेरे पास ये तीन कहानी है, तो अगेन ASA, angle side angles है, by ASA congruency, what I can say? By ASA congruency, I can say that these two triangles are congruent, yes or no? These two triangles are congruent. When these two triangles are congruent, again by CPCT, what I can say? Please focus, guys. By CPCT, I can say that your OA, यानी कि this side will be equal to OC. Clear? Got the point? Similarly, we can say that OB is equal to OD. Got it? Everyone got this, guys? Yes or no? Please tell me. Okay, that's how you talk to your parents as well. Mega Furi, very good. Very good. Good etiquettes. Thank you so much. Bye. Guys, are we clear with this? Everyone, please tell me. You got the point, everyone? Okay. So what I'm telling you is this, that I have OA is equal to OC. I have OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. Okay. Now, when I'm having OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD, right? So I can simply say, क्या मैं ये नहीं बोल सकता कि O जो है जब आपका OA OC के इक्वल है और आपका OB OD के इक्वल है, then can't I say that O is the midpoint? Can't I say that O is the midpoint of AC and BD? Everyone clear with this or not? कह सकते हैं? Everyone clear with this till here? Okay. What I can say that O is the midpoint of AC and BD. And when O is the midpoint of AC and BD, what I can say? I can say simply that your AC and BD bisect each other. हाँ जी, समझ में आया नहीं आया? आपका AC और BD जो है वो एक दूसरे को बाइसेक्ट कर रहे हैं, यानी कि O पॉइंट पे AC और BD जो होते हैं वो एक दूसरे को दो इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड करते हैं. ये पार्ट इसके इक्वल है और ये पार्ट इसके इक्वल है. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर क्लियर विद दिस? Everyone out there, guys, please tell me, are we clear with this? So in a nutshell, now what I can say, in a nutshell, I can say this thing over here. If you see, मैं ये बोल सकता हूँ that in a parallelogram, एक parallelogram के अंदर क्या होता है? In a parallelogram, opposite sides are what? Parallel and equal. ये पहली चीज. ओके. इसके अलावा opposite angles क्या होते हैं? Opposite angles are equal. And इसके अलावा diagonals AC and BD bisect each other. Am I clear with this or not, guys? Please tell me. Everyone got the point? सबको clear है क्या बातचीत हमने यहाँ पर करी? Okay? तो इस तरीके से हम लोग बात करते हैं अपने कैटेगराइजेशन की. Whenever you are categorizing your parallelogram among what? Among your square, rectangle. I hope कि understanding आपको हो. I have seen so many students जिनको exactly मैं सही तरीके से clear नहीं होता कि how do we differentiate between a parallelogram and a rectangle? How do we differentiate between a rectangle and a square? How do we differentiate between a square and rhombus? How do we differentiate between all these things? So I hope that it is now clear to you. I hope you are clear with the properties of parallelogram as well. So guys, that is all from my side for today's session. Thank you so much for being here. One thing that I would like to tell you is that right now in the batch course, okay, right now in the batch course that I take on Unacademy, उस batch course में भी we are talking about quadrilaterals. So it has been just a few days, I mean just 2 दिन हुए हैं अभी हमने यही initial discussion जो है quadrilaterals का किया है batch course में. So if any one of you who would like to be a part of it, you can join us, you can join me on Unacademy Plus. We have a class on Unacademy Plus every day at 6:15 to 7:15 p.m. Of the batch course I am saying maths की. बाकी मैथ्स के अलावा साइंस, इंग्लिश, इन सब की क्लास भी आपकी होती हैं अलग अलग टाइम पे. बट मैथ्स की क्लास वी हैव एवरी डे एट 6:15 to 6:17 p.m. So if you would like to join us in the batch course or in the other individual courses on Unacademy, you can simply be a part of it. Okay, you can simply join us on Unacademy Plus and you can use my code to get the subscription, that is SG08. And by using that, you will be able to get the flat 10% discount on the subscription charges. Okay, guys, so that's all from my side. And one more thing that I would like to tell you, which might be the interest area for you. Just a moment, guys. So guys, tomorrow at 1 p.m. Tomorrow at 1 p.m. On Unacademy. I repeat, tomorrow at 1 p.m. on Unacademy we have a special class as well. तो स्पेशल क्लास क्या होती है ना कि स्पेशल क्लास आप में से कोई भी अटेंड कर सकता है। स्पेशल क्लास अटेंड करने के लिए आपको कोई सब्सक्रिप्शन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है। स्पेशल क्लास कैन बी अटेंडेड बाय एनी स्टूडेंट। सो टुमारो एट 1 p.m. ऑन अनअकैडमी हमारी एक फ्री स्पेशल क्लास है जो आप सब भी अटेंड कर सकते हैं फ्री में विदाउट सब्सक्रिप्शन। एंड उस क्लास में वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट वी विल बी टेकिंग अ क्विज ऑन नंबर सिस्टम। ओके, उस क्लास में वी विल हैव अ क्विज ऑन नंबर सिस्टम फॉर क्लास 9th. So if you would like to be a part of it, you can join us at 1 p.m. on an academy to discuss this number system, to have some questions on number system. Okay, so that's all from my side, guys. Thank you so much for being here. All the very best to all of you. Thank you so much, Samriddhi, for being here. Archie, Neeraj, Satyansh. Oh, Satyansh, you are also here. How are you? So all of you guys, thank you so much for being here. May God bless you. I'm gonna see you in the next class, whatever we have, whenever we have on YouTube. And if you are going to be on Unacademy, so we will be meeting every day. That's all from my side. Take care. Have a great day, guys. Goodbye. And may God bless you. Have a blast over the weekend. Have a very good weekend. Okay. Bye. You're most welcome, everyone, guys. Bye. Take care. Bye.